Our names are Matt Bango, Sienna Taylor, and Andrew Wade. Today we are going to be discussing air pollution in Virginia and the different pollutants that affect the Chesapeake Bay. The atmosphere has a wide range of functions, including the following. It blocks harmful rays from the sun, traps heat to keep the earth warm, and most importantly, contains the oxygen in our atmosphere that is essential for life. Another component of the atmosphere is air quality. Air quality is significant to reduce water quality through contamination, contribute to climate change, and possibly alter or harm biodiversity in the earth.
So why do we care about the pollution in our atmosphere? Well, firstly, it is generally harmful. Pollutants that are released into the air by various sources such as cars, trucks, gas-powered lawn tools, power plants, and other sources fall back to the earth contaminating our waterways. Human dependence on fossil fuels is largely to blame, as they release greenhouse gases when burned. It is for this reason that many climate change and pollution specialists urge people to search for alternative fuel sources and methods of transportation. If we can reduce the amount of emissions we release into our atmosphere, air quality in theory should improve.
When discussing atmospheric pollution, there are two main types to consider. The first is known as point source pollution. Point source pollution is defined by the Environmental Protection Agency as any single identifiable source of pollution from which pollutants are discharged, such as a pipe, ditch, ship, or factory smokestack. Two common examples of point source pollution are sewage treatment plants and factories, as they often have large amounts of waste and do not want to spend money it requires to properly dispose of it. Shown is an example currently affecting the Chesapeake Bay, the Morgantown Generating Station. Visible in the image is a plume of smoke coming out of the station's smokestack. It is more than likely not oxygen, but rather contains harmful chemicals and carcinogens.
The second type of atmospheric pollution is known as non-point source pollution. Non-point source pollution is caused by precipitation in the form of either rain or snow moving over and through the ground. Human-made pollutants can deposit into lakes, wetlands, coastal waters, and groundwaters due to runoff. Some examples of non-point source pollution include fertilizers, oils, grease, salts from poor irrigation systems, bacteria or nutrients associated with livestock, pet waste, and sediments, whether from erosion or improper human waste management.
Now that we know the difference between point source and non-point source pollution, let's take a look at the four main causes of air pollution in one of Virginia's most controversial watersheds concerning pollution today, the Chesapeake Bay. Firstly, natural causes such as forest fires, sometimes caused by severe lightning storms combined with drought, can release emissions that are harmful to our atmosphere and health. These include, but are not limited to, particulate matter, carbon monoxide, atmospheric mercury, ozone-forming chemicals, and volatile organic compounds. The most important thing to remember about natural air pollutants is human activity is not to blame.
The second type of air pollution affecting the Chesapeake is agriculture. The surrounding of the Chesapeake Bay is largely used for the raising of poultry and livestock, which is problematic due to the large amounts of ammonia released from the animal manure. Increased ammonia levels not only are harmful to the human's respiratory systems through airborne contaminants, but can leach into the groundwater and in turn affect fertilizers levels in crops or even initiate harmful algae blooms.
Thirdly, mobile sources such as any form of transportation that involves the burning of fossil fuels. As mentioned earlier, burning of fossil fuels releases emissions in the form of greenhouse gases, which in turn diminish air quality and reduces our ozone layer.
Lastly, there are stationary and area sources such as
suggested by the Chesapeake Bay program is by what is known as attenuation. Attenuation is the planting of trees and other plants, keeping in mind that forests can reduce the amounts of pollutants in our area by acting s- scientists refers to as attenuation machines. This refers to the foliage and roots of the plant life acting as natural traps for airborne contaminants, as well as harmful substances that may be leached into the soil.
We can also turn to the policies that have been acted in previous years in hopes of improving air quality and limiting pollution of the atmosphere due to human emissions. The first and most notably of which, the Clean Air Act of 1970. The Clean Air Act was established to impose stricter regulations on emissions, both on a national and state level, in hopes of reducing air pollution and improving air quality. The enactment of these regulations led to an increase in ground restoration work as well. In 1990, revisions were made to the Clean Air Act in the form of establishing a